So kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, huwag kalimutang mag-like and subscribe.
So wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa for today's video. Pag-aaralan naman natin kung paano mag-subtract ng like and unlike fractions. So kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung aking video about introduction to fractions, okay, click nyo lang yung link sa description below. So quick review lang tayo. Ano nga ba yung like and unlike fractions? So yung like fractions, ibig sabihin parehas yung kanilang denominator, and the unlike fractions naman is, ibig sabihin nun, magkaiba yung kanilang denominator. So, paano nga ba sila sinusubtract? Actually, it's just the same, no, sa ating procedure sa pag-add ng like and unlike fractions. Okay. So, katulad nga nung sa like fractions or katulad nga sa addition, hindi na natin gagalawin yung ating denominator. Okay, so ang isosolve lang natin is yung numerator. So, in this example, okay, we have 3 over 5 minus 2 over 5. So, kokopyahin lang natin yung ating denominator dahil hindi na natin yan gagalawin. Okay? And then, we will subtract the numerator. So, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So, 3/5 minus 2/5 is equal to 1/5. So, next example, we have 8 over 11 minus 5 over 11. So, again, kokopyahin na lang natin yung ating denominator dahil hindi na natin gagalawin yan. Okay? And we will just subtract yung ating numerator. So, 8 minus 5 is 3. 8 over 11 minus 5 over 11 is 3 over 11. Alright, so next example, we have 4 over 6 minus 1 over 6. Okay, so this is like fraction. So, kokopyahin lang natin ulit yung ating denominator. At yung numerator ang ating isosolve. So, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So, itong answer natin, pwede pa natin itong i-reduce to its lowest form. So, paano nga ba mag-reduce ng fractions to its lowest form? Meron akong ginawang separate video about that. Just click the link on the description below. Okay, so, we get the greatest common factor or the GCF ng ating numerator and denominator, and we divide it to both of them. So, 3 over 6. At ang ating GCF is 3. Okay, so we divide it by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So ang ating final answer is 1/2. So 4 over 6 minus 1 over 6 is 1/2. So paano naman mag-subtract ng unlike fractions? Okay, so katulad din ng sa addition of unlike fractions, kukunin muna natin yung LCD to make these fractions like fractions. Okay, so kunin natin yung multiples ng ating denominators. So in this case, we have 1/2 minus 1/6. So kunin natin yung multiples ng ating denominator. So we have 2. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8. And then yung sa ating 6, na denominator, we have 6, 12, 18, and 24. Okay. So, nag-stop na tayo dito kasi meron na tayong nakikita na common sa multiples ng ating dalawang denominator. So, in this case, that is 6. Okay. And, para makuha natin or ma-convert natin sila to like fractions, okay, we will divide. So, we are going to divide this 6 to 2. So, 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then 3 times 1 is 3. So, ang atin na ngayong equation is 3 over 6 minus 1 over 6. Hindi na natin convert yung 1 over 6 kasi 6 na yung kanyang denominator. So, automatic na siya na like fractions. So, 3 minus 1, okay, is 2. And then, kokopyahin na lang natin yung denominator, which is 6. Okay. And in this case, okay, pwede pa natin siyang i-convert to its lowest form or to reduce to its lowest form. So, kukunin lang natin yung GCF ng dalawang number. Okay, so we have, ito yung sagot natin kanina, 2 over 6. So, ang GCF natin is 2. So, we divide both to 2. So, 2 divided by 2 is 1 and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So, ang ating sagot is or 1/3. Okay, so 1/2 minus 1/6 is equivalent to 1/3. So, next example, we have 3 over 4 minus 5 over 8. So, again, ko-convert muna natin to sa like fractions. And to do that, okay, kukunin natin yung least common denominator. Okay, so kunin natin yung multiples ng ating denominator. So, we have 4. So, we have 4, 8, 12, 16, and so on. Okay? And then we have 8. So, that's 8, 16, 24, 32. Okay. And so on. Okay, next stop na tayo dito kasi nakikita na natin yung common multiple ng dalawang denominator. And that is the number 8. Okay. So, ito na yung magiging ating denominator. Okay, so we convert 3/4. Okay. So, we have 8 as our denominator. Tapos yung 8, i-divide natin sa 4. So, 8 divided by 4 is 2. And then, times natin yan sa numerator. So, 2 times 3 is 6. Okay. So, yung second given, hindi na natin siya i-convert since yung denominator niya is already 8. Okay, so we have, ang equation na natin ngayon is 6 over 8 minus 5 over 8. Okay. So, dahil like fractions na sila, hindi na natin gagalawin yung kanilang denominator. So, we copy 8 and then we solve 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. So, ang ating sagot, final answer is 1 over 8. Okay, so next example, we have 2/3 minus 1/5. Okay, so again, this is unlike fraction. So, ko-convert muna natin sila to like fractions by getting the least common denominator. So, ilista natin yung multiples ng ating denominator. So, first denominator is 3. So, we have 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, and then our next denominator is 5. So, lista natin yung kanyang multiple. So, we have 5, 10, 15, 20. So, makikita natin dito, wala pa silang common number. Okay? So, kukontinue natin yung sa 3. So, we have 12. And then, the next one is 15. And then, 18. And then, here, okay, so 18 and so on. And then, dito, 25. And then 30, and so on. Okay, so, ngayon, nakikita na natin na meron silang common multiple, and that number is 15. Okay, so, yung 15 ang magiging denominator natin ngayon. So, we convert 2/3. Okay. So, 15 as denominator, and then, we divide it by 3. So, 15 divided by 3 is 5. And then multiply it to 2. So, 5 times 2 is 10. Okay. And then, yung second naman natin na fraction, so that's 1/5. Okay. So, we have 15 sa denominator, divided by 5. Okay, so that's 3, and then times 1. Okay, so that is 3. Okay. So, ang ating equation na ngayon is 10 over 15 minus 3 over 15. So, dahil like fractions na sila, we will just copy the denominator. Okay. And then, okay, 10 minus 3. Yun na lang yung ating i-add, yung numerators natin. No? So, 10 minus 3 is 7. Okay. So, ang final answer natin, 2/3 minus 1/5 is equivalent to 7 over 15. So, kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na to, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.